Did you know that just a few deep breaths can completely change the way you feel? Today we're diving into something simple but incredibly powerful: breathwork. Whether you're feeling stressed, anxious, or just overwhelmed, this can help you reconnect with your body and calm your mind. When we're stressed, we tend to breathe fast and shallow. It's a natural response. But here's the thing: your breath is one of the few things you can control that directly affects your nervous system. Slow, intentional breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system. That's the part that tells your body, hey, it's okay to relax. It slows your heart rate, lowers cortisol levels, and helps reduce anxiety. And science backs this up. Studies show that controlled breathing can improve sleep, boost focus, and even lower blood pressure. I started practicing breathwork during a really stressful period in my life. I was constantly on edge, couldn't sleep, and my mind felt like it was always racing. At first, it felt kind of silly, like, how can breathing do anything, right? But after a few consistent weeks of practice, everything changed. I felt calmer, more in control, and more grounded. And the best part? It only takes a few minutes a day. Let's do a quick breathing exercise together. This one's called ocean breath, or Ujjayi breathing. It's a powerful way to center yourself and reconnect with calm. Here's how it works. Inhale deeply through your nose, slightly constricting the back of your throat, like you're fogging up a mirror but with your mouth closed. Exhale slowly through your nose with the same soft constriction, creating a gentle ocean-like sound. Keep the breath smooth, steady, and rhythmic, like waves rolling in and out. Let's do it together. 3 deep ocean breaths. Feel the rhythm, hear the sound, be present. Now repeat with me, in your heart or aloud. I ride the waves of life with ease. Every breath carries me closer to peace. I am grounded, I am resilient, I am free. Take one more breath, slow and steady, and return with softness in your body and lightness in your heart. Breathwork is always with you. No apps, no equipment, just your breath and your awareness. Try adding a short breathing practice into your morning or before bed, or whenever you need a moment of calm. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried breathwork before?